Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's preview what we've built so far with WordPress and using generative AI to generate custom code. So far, this website we've built, it could be better if you add a little bit of focus and hard work. You get it all right. So it could be better, it could be good than this. After you've learned HTML, you know how to prompt your ChatGPT to give you a right format for your website. But so far, this is a pass for me. I don't know, for a beginner, if you could build something like this, is a pass for me. And some people would appreciate it. So you've started creating your business website. You could create different business websites with ChatGPT, WordPress, your mobile phone, and everything. As you could see, we have home, we have services, and as you can see, everything is going on quite all right, and it's looking great. So we have the about us, and this is the about us right here. We could see image is lacking in the whole design because we didn't prompt for ChatGPT to give us images. I didn't want to make this video too long, so you could easily prompt for images, and you could easily prompt for the code to have images. Then you get to change those images. But right now, we just created something simple, and this is okay for me. So you could change the links, you could do all that. You could do a little bit of customization, and this is the blog session, this is the home session. So we just created a full website. So you could do a little bit of customization to the link and everything. You could get to change your link, and like I've shown you how to edit your basic WordPress. But let me show you something about links before we go. So let me just say we have a link right here, a contact us link right here. So let me show you how to change that. Let me just show you a little trick to change that. So I'm going to come to my all pages, and having to come to my all pages, I'm going to try to edit the home. So let me try to edit the home, and having to edit it, we are shown the HTML code. So here in the HTML code, I want to locate the first contact. I want to locate this to change the all. I want to locate this to give a like link to access contact or something like that. So I want to show you how to locate a link. So yes, go there. So right now, this is the code right now, and I'm scrolling through the code, and I'm going to look for how to change the link of the contact us. You could see from here, anywhere you see a, let me just show you what I want to show you. So anywhere you see a, that's your link. And right now we are in the contact us session. As you could see, we are in the contact us session, and here in the contact us session, you could see the link in between here. This is a link right here. So from here, from the ref, you see the link right here. That's the link. So any link you want to create, this is where you put it. And if you want to put it here, if you want to put a website like link, you know how to add a website link, you know how to get a website link, a WhatsApp link. You could use a WhatsApp link for contact us. You could use your mail. Any link you want to input here, you could input it here to change that contact us link. So that's what it literally means. So you could locate all the A's, and when you locate all the A's are the link. So you could go on and on. Let's look for another link, and let's see how to go about that. So let's come to like an about us. So let's come to an about us, and let's see where links are. So currently in the about us page, link, you could see this is where link is in get involved. And all these were prompted by us. We lay out this from a prompt. So this is get involved. So let me locate that in the page. So I'm going to come to the pages, I'm going to come to the WordPress dashboard, and I'll locate the about us page. I'll try to edit that. So let me try to edit this, and let me locate the get involved link. So all I have to do is to scroll through my code and look for an A. So you could see I just located this A. So this is the current A, and this is the get involved right here. As you could see, this get involved right here. So all you have to do is to change this link to whatever you want to use. So from href is equals to, that's, you see inside this bracket you see contacts.html. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at it right here, contacts.html. So you will change that to a link, whatever link you want to use for contact us. So that's how to locate link. And all you have to do after you've done that is to save it right here. So right now we've built a perfect website with WordPress, our mobile phone, and generative AI, which is ChatGPT. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.